Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches. And today I have the pleasure of reviewing the Borealis Olisipo Automatic Diver Watch. This is a 70s inspired or vintage inspired diver watch made by one of the more popular micro brands out there. But before we get into the review, please remember to like and subscribe and click that bell icon to get updates when I upload new videos. I love making these videos, and I hope you like them too. So let's jump into the specs. We have a 40 millimeter case diameter, a 47 millimeter lug to lug, 12 millimeter case thickness, and a 20 millimeter lug width. Now, speaking of the lug width and the lugs here, do have end links, and I love the way they did the lines here because these straight lines give it the appearance that the case is one solid case, that it doesn't really have these kind of lugs that protrude out. So it's very reminiscent to me of the 70s dive watches, which is one of my favorite era of dive watches. We have a 120 click ceramic bezel that is loomed with BGW 9 Super Luminova, and that's the lume used throughout the watch, including the hands and the dial. Uh, like I said, we have this flex sapphire crystal with AR coating inside, 3 millimeter thickness on that, and this watch is 300 meters water resistant, so 1,000 feet. Now, before we get into the dial, let's talk a little bit about the crown position because it is the Miyota 9015. The crown position is at the 4 o'clock here, and you unscrew it. First position, after you unscrew, will wind a watch. The second will change the date, and the final one will hack, and you can change the time. Let's screw that back in, and voila, you get your 300 meters water resistance. Let's get back into that dial. Now, I've been really big into orange dials lately. I've been in a little bit of a kick. So this watch really hits the sweet spot for me. And that interesting scallop dial really gives it some texture and depth. The inside minute hand track is this white track with black indices. And then you also have these stick hands or stick hour indices throughout the dial. 2 sticks at the 12 o'clock. 3 and 6 o'clock have a longer sticks size compared to the other hours, and of course at the 6 o'clock no sticks, and you have the date wheel. Now, this watch has been fitted with what Borealis calls the presidential style bracelet, which is made out of 316L stainless steel. It is a combination of milled and stamped, and pretty typical here for a micro brand clasp in this price range. I feel you have the little snap close and then the fold over, and then you have the B adorning the clasp. Solid case back with a mermaid engraved and the words Borealis Watch Company, Olisipo. Then you have the automatic Miyota 9015, 300 meters water resistance, 1,000 feet. So this watch retails for $475, and it's pretty typical of what I expect to get in this range for a micro brand watch. I really do love this dial. The color really hits me in the right spot, and the scallop pattern really gives it some depth. I also, like I said, love the straight lug end links here. It really gives this this watch, this diver, a 70s feel to me. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think about this watch. I'll include a picture of the lume right here as well. And I'll talk to you guys or see you guys in the next video. Take care.